we do these different type of hair extension methods because I want to be able to have access to my client's scalp so that we can treat their scalp and hair. So this client, she is suffering from a mild case of dermatitis, as you can see in here. She is also anemic. So even though her hair is, I mean, she has some beautiful hair, the density of her hair can actually be thicker. You can definitely see where it's thin. Now, even though she does have fibroids, when you have fibroids, ladies, the fibroids feed off your blood. So most women that have fibroids, they end up anemic. So that could be part of the reason why her hair is shedding. But once she gets on a good amount of iron and it builds up in her body and her levels goes up, the shedding should eventually slow down.